What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today video we're gonna replace the air filter for a BMW X1 E84. It's gonna be a quick video. If you wanna see how to replace air pollen filter, just click up here. So without any further saying, let's put the gloves on, let's do some work. Can you see the difference? This way, this up, this foamy sponge down. Can go only one way. Remember to keep this side up. Oh good. There are a couple of things to take care only. Is here. This should go inside. This is simple, and there is another here. This one. Strong. I'm missing one here. That's it. Missing one. Oh good, 30 seconds. Gonna quickly clean around. So the filter replacement was very easy. It took me a minute or two to replace the filter and the cleaning. I think this is a job anyone can do. It's absolutely DIY job. I hope you consider to subscribe to the channel. There are more videos about this X1, and please don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on the next video. I hope to see you back soon, guys. Have a nice day and peace.